Hey everybody, so I'm out here. This is the follow-up to the pecan video up at the farm when I was splicing together. I have my two sticks, Macmillan and a Gafford. I could say I'm right one of these days. And behind me, with the ladder beneath it, is a tree that was gifted to me by somebody that was supposed to be a pecan tree. It is not. It is a hickory. Well, hickory and pecan are the same genus. So you have a true hickory, and then you have a pecan hickory. You can actually splice pecan branches into a hickory, and they will potentially produce nuts. I looked these two up. They do have pollination times in common. So I'm going to go up here and do what's called a veneer splice. And I'll try and explain that when I get up there. As you can see, I've taken a little wedge out of the tree. I've also taken this little piece of the bark and cut it back so it flips out. That matches up to, let me get this in frame. There's a little separated spot there about halfway up that separation, and it will go over top of that, inside of that, and then the remainder of this will go down into there. I don't know how well this is going to work. I don't like that, and it'll have two plies that'll line up. That's why it's called a veneer. I might need to trim this up a little bit more so I get a better angle, and the back of the stick a bit. But I'll work on putting that in here in a second and see how it turns out. So I don't know if you can see that. So the one piece of bark is up inside of the veneer piece, and the bottom spike is actually in the bark here. And now I'll wrap it up and go from there. Hopefully it works. I'll do the other one on the other side. And that's gonna be about it. So the funny thing about this is that since it's a hickory, if this works, there'll be two branches or forks that produce pecans. I've never seen a nut producing this tree, but it would be funny if somebody comes out here when I move out and there's two branches that are producing pecans and everything else is producing hickory. See how that goes. Oops, watch my finger. Anyway, have fun with that. Talk to y'all later. Bye.